Yes, yes. Package from China.
Welcome to the Wicked Gamer Rank Lecture. Welcome people, welcome back to a new review. And today we're going to talk about the GameBoy Color. Yeah, what is the GameBoy Color? It's... Who remembers this one? Who remembers the original Game Boy? Yeah, this is a knockoff, a fake, or a bootleg, how do you want to call it. And yeah, a friend from China made a version with an LCD screen. So maybe you can call this the ultimate Game Boy Color. And I made a review, maybe a year ago, some wicked crazy video, because the first one I got was totally dead. And I got a replacement, and that one was in good condition. But I never got the opportunity to make a review again with it. So now, here it is. Let's take a closer look at the box itself. It's a really nice box. What you can see here, we got different crystal versions, and even, I think, the original version, like this one. So let's see what's inside the box. And here we have a little side-by-side comparison of the two systems. Right, we have the original one, and left we got a GB Color from China. And come on, let's be honest, this is just a wicked upgrade. I really love the color screen, it's really bright. The size of the screen is slightly different, but personally I don't give a shit. I don't care. I am so happy to see this. Because playing your Game Boy and Game Boy Color games on an LCD screen is just awesome. And personally, a lot of people want to have a backlight with an original system, but me, nope, just give me an LCD screen. Leave it in the comments. What do you want? What do you prefer? Now let's take a closer look at the games that are inside the GameBoy Color. The funny thing is, the box says 66 in one, and it got a 188 in one. So I don't know where it goes wrong in the factory or so, but I'm getting the idea. I got an older version, but okay. And I must say, there are really nice games on it. We got Contra, Super Mario, also cool. Bugs Bunny is cool. DuckTales. Pac-Man. Yeah, let's be honest. We already know there are no 188 games on it. There are all double games, like the Chinese people most of the time do. Even the freaking 90s, they always did this. But of course, we can also play original games, and that makes this thing awesome. It's got really nice built-in games, but of course we want to play original games. First we're going to try out this multi-game card from the 90s. Why? It's very simple. This thing is just perfect. It works perfect, no problems at all. Every game I start up works. Let's try out Crocodile. One of my favorite games of this multi-card. No problem at all. Okay. Let's try out the next game. That is going to be a Game Boy Color game. And now we're going to play Drop Zone. That is an original Game Boy Color game. And the first thing that of course we're noticing that the colors are very bright. And are very nice. I really love it. So, works perfectly. No problem at all. But now, this is what I wanted to show you guys. Gex, also a very nice game, is freezing at the Grave Entertainment logo. I have cleaned this cartridge a couple of times and it doesn't give any better effect than this. So overall, I am certain that not all games are supported by the system. I tried, for example, I had the original Kirby Adventure. I cleaned the game and it worked perfectly in the original Game Boy Color, in my original Game Boy, but in this Game Boy Color of GameBoy Color, it didn't want to boot up, or after playing for a few minutes, it just reboots. So yeah, people, for my final conclusion about this GameBoy Color, it's a really nice product. Would I call it the ultimate Game Boy Color? No, because it doesn't support all the games and it got a lot of problems. Like this one, the first one I got was broken. And the second one I got was just fine, but it got lazy pixel in it. So yeah, there's a little bit of a disappointment. People, I want to thank you for watching. I hope you have a better idea of what you're going to get. And yeah, if you want to buy it because of some games you want to play it, yeah, buy it. It's not very expensive. I think around $20 or so. So maybe a little bit expensive, or even just as expensive like an original Game Boy, but yeah, it's the next big thing. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Stay strong, stay positive, and game on!
Hi fellow YouTubers, I want to thank you for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Yes, and you also can follow me on Facebook, Twitter, yeah, I don't give a shit about Twitter. But Instagram, I make pretty picture and I send on Instagram. So yeah, follow me.